We'll guide you through how to change the country on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my Instagram profile. You can get here by pressing your profile icon or the user icon in the bottom right of Instagram. Now you can go and see my current country and city in my bio there. Mine is currently set to Paris, France. So you want to go and change this, perhaps you're moving or your business is moving, or perhaps you wanted to go and add it in the first place. We'll guide you through all of this in today's video, so make sure it's this full video to understand. So to go and get started with this, you need to come onto your profile page, you already should be, and then what you can do is go and press the three lines in the top right to get to your settings and activity. Now, what you need to do here is go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for account type and tools. Scroll down here and go and find it. It may be quite far down. I'm not seeing it as I've already got a professional account, but you need to go and switch to the one if you haven't already. So you can go and see here, I've got the option for business tools and controls because I already have switched it. So you can go and tap on account type and tools. And then you can scroll down and you'll find the option for switch account type. And you can tap there and you can press switch to professional account and you can go and switch. I already have, as you can see, because I'm getting the option for switch to personal account, as that's what you probably already have. So then what you can do is come back here once you've got that turned on and we can go and change it. So what you need to do is we can go and see mine's currently set to Paris, France. You need to go just below it at the bottom of the bio, but above your feed and press edit profile like this. And this will open up. And what you need to do is go and scroll down and you can find the option for contact options. And you can go and tap there like this. Go down the list of information and you can go and find your city and country and you can go and tap there like so. And then you can go and tap on it again where mine says Paris, France. And then what you can do is search for a town or city in the country you want to do this with. So in this case, I could type in London or I could even type in United Kingdom like so. And then we can go and see the different options. So we've got London at the top, so I could tap there. And then what you can do is if you're happy with that is go and press done in the top right. Then you need to go and press save in the top right. Wait for this to load. But you want to go and scroll down again and you need to find profile display. Tap there and make sure display contact info is switched on. That's really important. Otherwise it won't go and show. Then you can press done and I'll come back. And as you can see, there it is. We've now gone and changed it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.